Hey guys, Big Dagger here. We got a new puppy. So like during the period of time where I lost my phone, we were just like driving and some people had like one of the dogs had kids, like a lot of them. So they were selling one, and we got Fave, and we named Hushbrune. We got Fave, and then we Hushbrune. We got Fave, and we renamed her Faith, cause there's a big difference there. Anyway, I want to talk about this. New dog, puppy. It's gonna grow bigger than Bruno. Bruno, will you be quiet? I'm trying to vlog here. So, this is Faith. I should have like a whole separate vlog about this, like without Bruno. Just about Faith. And I hear a storm coming. Bruno, be quiet! I'm vlogging here. So, that was Bruno and Faith. But the video was about Faith. Bruno, if you don't stop. Backing up. 7-4. Bruno, stop. There's nothing wrong with Faith. Yes, I hear the storm. Okay. Alright, you guys. Okay. Well, guys, bye. Goodbye. Peace. Blake out. And Bruno won't stop barking. But bye.